We are here in Collegetown Center. We're on the landing of the 4th floor. There's the elevator on the right, and here is the landing, and we're going into apartment 420. That's right here across from the elevator. So I wanted to show you the location of that as we go into the apartment. 420 is an apartment that has some unique upgrades, and I wanted to show you those special features. As we enter, you can see in the kitchen that we have these upgraded cabinets in here. They're really nice, lovely cabinets in the kitchen. The rest of the kitchen is the same style, but we do have that upgrade. I think over here on the right, this is a good space to add like a small shelf or shoe rack. We've got another upgrade you can see right ahead of us. There's a door that's been added here in this apartment. So that door will separate your kitchen from the rest of your living space. That's a unique feature to this apartment, and I think that's a really nice feature to have in here. And that definitely can close your kitchen space off from the rest of your apartment. Let's go on in. We have that closet over on the left as we go past there. That's the same closet we've been seeing in the other apartments, but we'll take a look in there as we go by. Another upgrade feature that we have in here is this upgraded carpet. This is a plusher carpet than we have in the regular studio, so that's a nice touch in here. The furniture is the same that we've seen. We have the dining table and chair, there's a dresser, a full-size bed, and a desk and chair. And we have a different feature. Instead of a bookcase, we have these built-ins under the window. We'll go see those in a minute, but let's take a look at the next set of upgrades. We have the track lighting over on this left side of the room, and we have these wall sconces on the right side. So those are really nice upgrade lighting features that we have here in this apartment. Let's go look at this built-in bookshelf. This is really nice. We have this long shelf across the whole window, so that is 10 feet wide, and these shelves underneath, and you could put books or sweaters or whatever you like to have in there for storage. So we're on the north side of the building, so we have the street view of Dryden Road, so we have great people watching. We've got some bit of sky over to our left. That's to the west, and this looks up towards College Avenue. You can see the heater over there on the wall. I like how they've arranged this apartment with the bed right here between these wall sconces. I think it looks very nice. And again, we can shut that door that goes to the kitchen. We've got one more set of upgrades as we go into the bathroom. Let's go take a look. You can see over here we have that regular tub shower, but we have this upgraded vanity and this triple mirror set. All 3 of those mirrors open. I have a couple of them pushed ajar so you can kind of see into there. So that's a nicer set. That vanity top goes across the toilet and that matches that carpet. So that's a nice feature to have. So we have upgrades in the kitchen, the bathroom, the lighting, and the carpet, and the bookshelf in here. So this is apartment 420 with upgrades here in Collegetown Center. We're located at 151 Dryden Road here in Central Collegetown, and we're just 1 block from campus.